saved. Just when you've locked your door, comes like a lightning, a flash, and the sky is torn at your back like a loaded gun. But the fight has just begun. Steady now, breathe, breathe. You can't run, you can't hide. Hold your breath, close your eyes. Turn your ear to the sky. You're not safe here anymore. This is the sound of war.
The wildfires continue to rage across the west.
A 6-year-old woman died when water rushed through her
This flood emergency has now moved into the
of weather-related disasters has increased.
Reveals the Earth is warming faster than
Low-lying roads are underwater.
It has killed 115 people every day since 1970.
Just when you think there's a settled score, the battle has been reborn. Come swift like an avalanche, come to steal what you just got back. Like a loaded gun, and the night has just begun. Steady now, breathe, breathe. You can't run, you can't hide. Hold your breath, close your eyes. Turn your ear to the sky. You're not safe here anymore. This is the sound of war.
This is what's happening on the streets of the capital of Georgia, Tbilisi.
Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky reels from a humiliating
Between the United States and Ukraine following President Trump's tense
devastating combination of missiles, drones.
The end of war with Russia is very, very far away.
Violent clashes. This is what's happening on the streets of the capital.
They cannot guarantee the peace in Ukraine without the back.
Anti-Putin protesters have now been clashing with